Hi, welcome to Myrank YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. Whether you are a medical professional aiming to specialize in super specialty or just starting your preparation journey, this channel is here to guide you in every step of the way. The Fellowship Entrance Test 2024 is here, and it's your gateway to advancing your medical career like never before. It is organized by National Board of Examinations. The FET is a crucial step for those looking to secure fellowship programs in various super specialties. It's time to gear up and seize this golden opportunity. Have you ever wondered what it means to pursue a fellowship in medicine? A fellowship in medicine is an advanced post-residency training in specialized area of medicine or surgery. It is a step beyond postgraduate medical training such as MD or MS or DNB, designed for doctors aiming to master a particular field and to enhance skills and knowledge in focused medical fields. Fellowship typically lasts for 1 to 3 years, depending on the specialty. Now, let's explore the incredible benefits offered by fellowship. First, a fellowship allows you to master advanced skills and techniques in your chosen specialty. Second, it broadens your career prospects whether in academic research or specialized clinical practice. You will also gain hands-on experience with innovative technologies and treatments. And most importantly, your enhanced expertise will enable you to provide better patient outcomes. Remember, the fellowship entrance test is not just an exam, it's a stepping stone to specialized training and expertise in your chosen field. Why should you consider pursuing a fellowship in medicine? Let us dive into the key reasons why this advanced training could be the perfect step for your career. A fellowship allows you to achieve mastery in highly focused areas of medical fields. It is your opportunity to contribute to innovation and research in medical fields. A fellowship also opens doors to expanded career opportunities, and it equips you to deliver superior patient care. Fellowship offers a range of exciting specialties. Let's take a closer look at some of the opportunities available. Arthroplasty, breast imaging, cardiac anesthesia, critical care medicine, infectious diseases, interventional cardiology, liver transplantation, maternal and fetal medicine. Minimal access surgery, neurovascular intervention, pediatric cardiology, reproductive medicine, spine surgery, sports medicine, trauma and acute care surgery, viteo and retinal surgery. Let's go over the eligibility criteria to ensure you are all set to apply. Candidate must possess a postgraduate medical degree from a recognized institution, and candidates should have completed or be in the final stages of their postgraduate training with completion by the specified cutoff date, that is 31st December 2024. Course fees for Indian students 1,25,000. For international students from SAARC nations 1,25,000. For international students from non-SAARC nations $5,000. Stipend for first year students 41,000. For second year students 43,000. Here are the important dates you need to mark on your calendar. The application has been already started. Last date for online application submission is 16 January 2025 till 11:55 pm. Edit window for all payment success applicants is 28 to 22nd January 2025. Final edit window to rectify incorrect images is 31st January 2025 to 3rd February 2025. Issue of admit cards 19 February 2025. Examination date is 23rd February 2025 and declaration of results is by 21st March 2025. Examination fees for Indian students 3,500. For international students 44,250. Myrank provides professional admission guidance to assist students throughout the entire application and counseling process. Our services includes updates on notification, assistance with application form filling, course selection, college joining procedure, university and college selection, web options, document uploading, information on cutoff and seat matrix, and college fee structure. We strive to make the admission process as stress-free and seamless as possible for our students. Please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and for admission and counseling guidance. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you.